If you keep trying in your life, then you will never fail. Today we are going to talk about the most popular president of America, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln has played a very important role to remove slavery from the world. And for achieving this mark, he has taken a lot of struggle. And I don't think so anyone else would have been able to do this. Abraham's childhood went in poverty. Abraham's father did not have money to pay in the school. That's why Abraham Lincoln used to borrow books from someone else and read those books. Abraham started working at very early age. Until the age of 9, Abraham lost his mother. Abraham loved a girl, but unfortunately even that girl died. To remove slavery, he stood up many times for elections, but he lost elections several times. A time came in Abraham's life when he started to stay away from knives, because he was lost so much that he was worried that he would kill himself. But people who keep trying never fail in their life, and that's why Abraham Lincoln became 16th President of America, and on the basis of his struggle he was able to remove slavery from America. So now let's talk about journey of Abraham Lincoln from poverty to White House. But before starting, if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing our channel. And now let's start. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12 February 1809 in Hardin County, Kentucky. His father's name was Thomas Lincoln and mother's name was Nancy Lincoln. His family was very poor and used to stay in small wooden house. Abraham also had an elder sister Sarah, and he also had a younger brother who died in his childhood. Abraham's father was a farmer and a carpenter, and due to some land dispute, Abraham family had to leave that place. And after that in 1811, they went to Knob Creek farm and started to do farming. But again due to some land dispute, they had to leave that place. And after that in 1816, Lincoln family settled down near Indiana River, where they started to do farming in forest. And let me tell you, that place is still preserved as a memory. When Abraham Lincoln was 6 years old, his father didn't have money to pay in school. That's why Abraham Lincoln had to leave the school and started working with his father. But Abraham loved to read books, and that's why he used to borrow books from people and used to read those books. But a bad phase came in his life. On 5th October 1818, Abraham's mother died, and at that time Abraham was only 9 years old. And due to mother's death, whole responsibility came on Abraham's elder sister Sarah, and at that time Sarah was 11 years old. After considering his family condition, Abraham's father, Thomas Lincoln, got married again with Sarah Bush, who already had 3 children. Sarah Bush treated Abraham like her own kid and loved more than his real mother. She also helped him in his studies. Even Abraham loved his mom a lot, and after becoming president, he said in his interview, "All credit of my success goes to my mother." Abraham's father was very rude to him and never wanted him to study. And that's why Abraham started making small boats, and he also worked in farms to run the house. After few days, Abraham got a job in store, where he also got spare time to study, where he started studying law without any college. While studying, he came to know about the judge staying near his house. That's why he decided to go to him and request him to borrow the books. When Abraham asked that judge for the books, he happily gave him the books, but on condition of working in his house, and Abraham happily said yes to that judge. After few days, Abraham became postman in a village, and due to which people started to know Abraham and also started to respect him. At that time, slavery was on its peak, and to get rid of the slavery, Abraham decided to get in politics. First time when Abraham stood up for MLA election, he lost the election with a big margin. Because of election, Abraham left the postman's job, and due to which he had a very less money left. At the age of 24, Abraham fell in love with a girl, but unfortunately after few days that girl died, and due to which Abraham went in depression, and he used to sit and cry for hours where she was buried. Everything was going against Abraham, and one time came in Abraham's life when he started to keep sharp things like knife away from him, because he was so depressed that he was scared that he would kill himself. At that time his friend gave him some motivation and took him out of depression, and with his friend's help, Abraham again stood up for MLA election, and this time he won the election, and then he started attracting young people, and started to speak freely in parliament. Till now, Abraham also got license to become a lawyer. At this time, he met very famous lawyer Stuart and they started working together. Later, Stuart started working separately because Abraham never took fees from poor people and never fought a false case. And even being unsuccessful lawyer, he was lawyer for almost 20 years. Once a poor lady fought a case for her brother with help of Abraham, and later Abraham won that case. But when that lady tried to give him fees, he refused the money. In 1842, Abraham got married to Mary, and after marriage, Mary gave birth to 4 children, from which only her first kid survived, and all 3 kids died immediately after their birth. On 6 November 1860, Abraham Lincoln stood up for presidential election and became the 16th President of America. Later, after becoming president, he did some great work, which was not only great for America but also for whole world, from which his greatest achievements were to bail out America from civil war and also gave rid of slavery to America. On 14th April 1865, Abraham and his wife went to Ford Theatre of Washington DC to watch a play, where a very famous actor, John Wilkes, shot Abraham Lincoln, and on next day, on 15th April 1865, Abraham Lincoln said goodbye to the world. From this biography of Abraham Lincoln, we learned that if we keep thought of never giving up in our mind, then we will never fail in our life. Thank you for giving your important time and watching our video. We hope you got some motivation or inspiration from this video. And if you like our video, do press the like button. And if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.